of working, but I haven't figured out the last part. So there you go. This needs to stay up. I didn't figure that out for a long time. And then boats come, so they come and go, and then it's going down. Yo, what happened there? What's up guys, I'm Suhaan and welcome back to Polybridge. Now last episode we did a whole lot of work in Desert Winds, but I still have not got to do some work. Moving on to a level called Double Overpass. $16,000 wood, and 2 boats and a minivan. Okay, so this does not look too bad, does it? Really you gotta do that on the first level. Oh, that might touch it. Okay, I guess we need to get support from this mountain. We can do that, something like that. And on the other side, right? Is that correct? That may not be correct, but again, who cares, right? Should I make it? No, I can't make it an under bridge. That would not make any sense. So we're just gonna make a nice little bridge, something like that. I had to cut a whole lot of budget, but I don't know if I just okay. Oh, what happened there? Okay, so first of all, this part is gone, that part. So what happens over here? Can anyone? Oh, that needs to be fixed up right away. That is serious dilemma. So okay, you go, please. Oh, I don't know what is happening there. I don't understand. That part, this part breaks. How it's something like that? No. I say maybe. Oh, I don't know what is happening over here. We need to do something. So we need to cut budget or increase. I don't even know. This part always breaks. I actually don't know why. Maybe something like this. Could this work? Gonna put it right on that edge. This might work. I don't actually know. We can give it a try, right? We can give everything a try. That's over budget. Budget cutting maneuvers. Okay. Oh, it always breaks here. What is happening? Maybe the boat is touching it. Maybe the boat is touching it. We need to do something about that. I see. It was like this. The boat was clipping. Could you maybe just hum it on? Okay, now that might also work. I don't actually know. You can put it like that and something like this. People say that you should not cut in videos. This is what I'm trying to do, man. But I guess you need to cut a little bit in Polybridge. Really, please. There we go. Whoa. What? Yes, it didn't even fall apart. Nothing broke. A complete success. Oh, lift me up. Oh, what is this? So we have 2 cars, and you're gonna the A2 will turn round, and hydraulic. What? So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 4, 5. Wait, what is happening here? First, let me just grid this all, and then. So you are gonna go. A2 is you. You're gonna stop there, and then you need to go. Also, we need some kind of elevator. How do we gonna build that? I guess we will first start up with the supports, as they are the most important, right? Something like that. Can connect that. Looks kind of secure. Okay, so we have a sturdy bridge. Get it work. Now, how on earth are we gonna do this? We need to make something a little strange, like something like this. You see what I mean? And we can have the hydraulic go like that, so like that. Now we can rope it up, right? Put whoa. Put split joint there. That might work. So I need to make this strong now. How on earth? What? Maybe it is something different. Maybe we need to think out of the box. I think we need to first of all support from here, right? And I'm gonna actually save my time by copy paste. I still love this mechanic. What? Copy paste. There we go. And first of all, let's do this back up. Can that hold up? Actually, it might. So now you need to get that. Okay. So we could try. Wait a minute. This might work. All you gotta do is lift the bridge, right? If you lift it whole up, that can't work, right? I've been thinking about this for hours. That can't work. Yeah. Well, we could fix that if we get just a little bit of wood. How about that? Oh. Oh, right. Expanding maneuvers. This can't work. I do not believe that this could work. Nope. Oh, I had the problem. They were connected to one. Oh. Oh, wait. You're gonna fall apart. So we need something like that. Go. What? Maybe rope. Go. What? Okay, I'm actually confused. You need to expand first of all. Rope can go away. If I put a wood there, that's actually I don't actually know. That might work. I have no doubt. I don't know if this could work or not. I'm very confused right now. What is happening in this level? Okay, please. Okay, that hydraulic didn't. I see hydraulic. I see your problems. And you need to be connected to one. Please. Oh, what? Oh, expand. Of course, expand. Stupid. Expand. Whoa. Okay, you know what? Maybe we can get the hydraulic like here. Or maybe I could make something here, like we wanted to, like I wanted to, right? Maybe something like that, and like this, maybe. Oh no, something like that, and you need to expand. I don't think 50% is gonna do it. What is happening right now? Maybe that strategy worked. I'll get it figured out. Something like this, and gonna wood it back up. Yep. So I think I think maybe we actually need to connect all the points together and then put hydraulic like this. Expand. Maybe. Please work. Please. What happened there? It didn't even pull anything. Where is this hydraulic even connected? You need, I forgot. You need to be connected there. Please work. Please. Oh, maybe not that many points. My apologies. My humble apologies. We need to do something like this, and then we can wood it back up. Yeah, there we go, something like that. Please, split joint, work your magic, work your, okay. Connect, expand. I'm tired now. Work. Whoa. You need to be connected to one. You also need to be connected to one. We're getting somewhere. Oh, okay. So it does work. Maybe a split joint there. Work. What is happening here? One, do. Sure. Maybe not there. What? Something like that. No faith once again. Oh my god. Please. Oh no. You can go. Yes. Okay, if the bridge falls apart, take it with you. That took a whole lot of time. Okay, not a whole lot of money. Oh, we're moving on to land brace. $15,000 with steel, hydraulic, and rope. Taxi car, hydraulic boat, hydraulic taxi car. Okay. Whoa, there's no point here. What? How are we? Oh, that's my road. We do have a steel, but not a lot of budget. So, if I were to make something like this, I would probably do something like that. Yep. And we're gonna cable it up, right? Like old school. Oh, there we go. And you can go there and wait. There we go. So, forgot. Maybe we don't need this giant contraption. Actually, now that I think about it, we need only 3 road. Cause wait a minute. We did this last time. Actually, you guys didn't see it because the recording crashed, but I did something similar like this, and we could have steel here. That's no problem, right? We can brace it up with steel. Wait, let's wait a minute. Let's first of all, okay, my goodness, there we go. Because it's gonna handle it up. So hopefully that works. Maybe I can make this hole out of steel because this is breaking. Oh. Okay. Something like that. Nope, 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 nope. This should be steel, sir. What are you doing? Oh, okay. We have a ramp. Okay. We might need another piece of road. It's gonna make it bad though. Maybe just hold loud, guys. Chill. Calm down. That was close. That was close. That was real close. Oh. Hey. Are you kidding me? Go far back. Go far back. Oh, I don't think that's far enough. That's not far enough. Oh. So you got a contract. You can't expand. So if I were to make another hydraulic. Oh, okay. It's stable. Oh my god. Over way beyond. Oh yeah. I call this a jump bridge if I've ever seen one. Oh boy. Oh, please. This creation. Oh yeah. That feels good. 4,000. That's new record. Moving on to schedule. This boat and this van, hydraulic phase. You'll turn around. Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, Ivan will go and what? Wait. One boat will come, which means this boat is probably gonna come. So you'll go, you'll come, and then you're gonna stop here. This boat will come. You're gonna go, right? Yep. This boat is gonna come and you're gonna go, and then hydraulic phase and E is gonna come. Okay. So, mesh bridge. This part should be straight at the first time, but I don't think this should be. So we need a 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 road. So it starts off like something like this. 2, 3, and 4. That correct? Wait a minute. Oh, I don't think that's working. Please work. That's the farthest can stretch. Okay, that doesn't look quite like it. I think it's okay. You know what? Screw it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it takes 4. Let me figure this out. Maybe we can do it from this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that kind of makes sense. So you're gonna be like that, and gotta make a bridge. Man, I'm flying through these bridges today. I don't know what's happening, but all bridge just seems to get okay. First of all, I need to just have an idea what is happening right now. You stop, you both go. Okay, now what happens? Hydraulic phase will go. That's fine. I don't have that fear. You'll go and that boat will come. Okay, so we need to make. Oh, we don't have steel. That's a bummer. We need to have hydraulic. Should I use 2? I think I should use 2 because I don't think that's gonna hold it apart. Wait. So go hydraulic phase. Oh, okay. That did work. Not quite like I assumed, but that did kind of work. We can have rope here and have a rope like this, right? That's gonna hold up. That's gonna hold up. Good. Now, can I see this in? Okay then. Okay, that should be a little more secure now. I'm working on this part. Don't forget, because you need to go first, then E. That breaks. Oh, okay. They gave us this point for something too. Okay, you know what? Scrap this. I think I can make a legitimate bridge out of this thing because it's scrap 4. Okay, so if I have one hydraulic and two hydraulic, actually we need wood first of all. Nope. Okay, so something like that. I gotta support this with wood. This part I don't actually have quite figured it out. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I actually don't know at this point. I have a split joint there, and we're good. Maybe. Slow it down. Slow it down. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, whoa. What happened to this side? That one is not more enough. Okay. So, you need to be expanding. I don't think you should be expanding. Yeah, you shouldn't be expanding. You need to contract. There we go. Or you can contract more, right? Contract 50%. Contract there. Oh, there we go. So you please work. Put it way back. Please work. Oh man, I guess we could use two, right? Cannot create. Oh, I don't need road. I need hydraulics. So, how about something like that? Whoop. No. Okay, you know what? This is not going to work. I need to find something else. Something like that. I don't even know now. Okay, it's all out of my mind. I need to just see. Whoa, we're getting somewhere. If that could just happen over here, then we are dandy, right? Maybe not. No, we are not dandy over here. We need a flying contrast to be 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2, something like that. And connecting. Okay, there we have something here. We can expand that. Take this, copy it, flip it, and shape it. Actually, you know what? Go away. Copy, flip, and something like that. I don't know. Maybe splitty joints. Oh, you know what? Okay. That might work. Something protection, some more protection. No, that can't work. We need the reinforcements there. Maybe something like this. Perhaps. I need to slow it down. Why is it going so freaking fast? We don't need no flip sticky points. I'm really impressed by this part. You sir, could you just do a little hop? What is the problem, man? Oh no. Work. Oh, that is not how it's supposed to, yeah. Bye, hippies. So, oh, what is this? Hydraulic controller. Ah, that's what we need. And this, please don't work. I hope that's how it works. Hopefully. Full speed, I don't care. This is a masterpiece. I like this bridge. And yeah, you don't move. Just go, please. Go. Yes! That was a really cool bridge. I give it up. Yeah, that was amazing. $15,000. Moving on up. Wood, steel, hydraulic, car, hydraulic, and turn. Okay. So you need to go there, and then you need to go there. Interesting. Let me guess. Oh, Oh! Oh, we have unlimited road. Why? Okay, I'm gonna assume that we should not do that. That's wrong, okay? Although I really want to. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do something with hydraulics. We have 2 steel. I am assuming that is going to go here. And a little something like that. Something to hydraulic out of. And then simple bridge. This doesn't look that hard. All the bridges I do say I'm confident in always break. So yeah, I'm not confident in this bridge. This can never work, can it? So that it it works. Maybe that's demotivation. Maybe that's harassing. I don't actually know. Have a split point there and a freaking hydraulic. Oh, we have unlimited. I'm gonna use 2. Why is it so oh, that's not enough. We need 1, 2, and 3. And you go, sir, go. I that's not gonna work. It needs to be up. And go away. I'm indeed carrying on with the under budget run. That's still a thing in my books. That's somehow that's over budget. We don't need over budget. We can put you there. Full hydraulic. Oh, lower. There we go. That's not over budget. So, is this gonna work? Oh, it might. I mean, it's just a little hop. You did. I don't know what to do. Oh, I can get it one more time. Go. It's good. Yes! I'm flying through these. Are you kidding me? One more? Let me first of all see. This is the last level of Desert Winds. I'm gonna complete it. $20,000 off and on. I'm not getting very high budget bridge. I don't like it. But wood, steel, hydraulic rope cable, ice cream truck, car, hydraulic boats, hydraulic and turnarounds. What? You need to go here and then go there. You need to go here and then go there. Okay, that's not too bad. We can, let me guess, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Thanks, game. Thanks a lot. We're done. Actually, this is not too hard because we do have steel, don't we? Yeah. We have big boy. We have 1 extra road. No, where's that gonna go yet? But we will figure it out. Okay, that's not quite symmetrical, but that might work, right? I guess so. So, how on earth is this gonna play out? 2 hydraulics there, and split joint and split joint. No. This needs to be like this. Okay, yep. Needs to be like that. And then we can have you don't be a split joint. Okay, we'll move on with the finished product. Okay, I think it's kind of working, but I haven't figured out the last part. So there you go. This needs to stay up. I didn't figure that out for a long time. And then boats come. So they come and go. And then it's going down. Yo, what happened there? That didn't happen last time. What happened? I don't know. Maybe we need to have cables. I mean, we have still some budget left. But the thing I'm trying to tell is that this part cannot hold up by this guy crashing into a what? What was that? What just happened? Please remove these. What is happening right now? It was working perfectly. Go, 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 boats, go. What? Okay, yeah, it's working. Oh, I see. You you need to not go that much down. How about like 40%? Let's figure this part out, then we'll figure that. Okay, shape it 40. Oh, okay. How about I interest you in level 42? 42. This is really crime investigating, guys. Oh, okay. How about a little 44? I'm gonna tweak this just 2%. Let's see how 2% makes. 2%. Now screw me over. Okay. 45. We have that figured out. We're gonna assume we have that figured out. Now for you, sir. What do we do for you? Yeah, that's right, but I don't know what to do with him. Maybe we need this part to pull up. Maybe? I don't know. Something like that. And we have one steel left. I mean, sure. No screwing over. We'll see how it. Alright. Okay, I think that is why they gave us this this one road, mysterious little road for you to climb on, sir. We have budget. Okay. Something like that. Please. Road. Oh no, what? Oh, alright. Sir, please hold up. What is happening? How about we try the age-old strategy? That broke. That shouldn't break. Yeah, that shouldn't break. Maybe we can have it there? I don't know. Oh, ice cream for days. So we can have it there. Sure. Something like that. Oh, are you kidding me? Ice cream, you're gonna screw me over, huh? That cannot really. Oh my god. Okay, something like that. Oh no. How do we do this? Oh, okay. Oh man, oh no. Oh my god, it's not gonna work. I say I don't have a good feeling about this. But it might work, you know what? Never give credit, so let's check. Aha, I knew it. Games loves to do that. You need to be collect on 1. You good? 2, 1. Okay. I think we're good. I spent like 1 hour and a half trying to build this. What went wrong there? That was flawless, right? Please. What happened there? I don't actually know what happened there. Maybe this connects to do. Maybe. I actually don't know. Oh no, you need to be connected to 2, sir. Because you need to go. Whoa, what the shit was that? you, sir, please, one, connect, sir. Tornadoes activate now. We need safe supplies. If this works. Oh, I forgot that he has the bouncing problem. We need more. Oh man. What the shit? He did a backflip. Did you guys see that? Level failed? What? Oh, hippie gone. Okay, so how on earth do we fix that? Maybe steel? I'm guessing steel does a lot of work, right? You can speed it up. We've seen it a whole lot. Go. You see this contraption. Maybe something like that. I reinforced that one part with steel. Make the difference. Yes, finally. Achievement unlocked. Completed desert winds. Achievement unlocked. Completed desert winds under budget. Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video of Polybridge, guys, and we completed desert winds today, which I didn't know we could. Ooh, what's the next world? Snowdrift. Oh, we're going from desert to snow. I like it. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video of Polybridge, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.